Today I'm going to teach you how to remove metadata from a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is particularly useful when you need to share documents professionally and want to ensure no personal or sensitive information is embedded in the file properties. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the application is ready, navigate to Recent Files. Here you'll see a list of PDFs you've worked with recently. Go ahead and select the file from which you want to remove metadata. This will open the document in your workspace. With your document now open, look to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu option there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of features and tools available in Adobe Acrobat Pro. From this menu, locate and select Protection. This section houses various security-related features that help you control how your document is accessed and what information it contains. Once you're in the Protection section, click on Security Properties. This will open a dialog box that displays the current security settings and metadata associated with your PDF. This is where you'll be able to view and modify the information embedded in your document. Now, click on the Description tab within this dialog box. Here you'll see several fields containing metadata about your document. You'll notice fields for title name, author, subject, and keywords. Go ahead and delete the content in each of these fields. Simply select the text and clear it out completely. This removes the basic metadata that's typically visible when someone views the document properties. Next, you'll need to access additional metadata. Click on Additional Metadata to open a more comprehensive view of all the information stored within your PDF. This section contains deeper layers of metadata that might not be immediately visible in the Basic Description tab. In the Additional Metadata section, you'll see fields for document title, author name, description, and keywords. Remove all the information from these fields as well. This ensures that no hidden metadata remains in your document. Once you've cleared all these fields, click OK to confirm your changes. You'll be returned to the previous dialog box. Click OK again to finalize all the metadata removal settings you've just configured. This second confirmation ensures that all your changes are properly saved and applied to the document. Finally, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click the Save button. This step is crucial as it permanently applies all the metadata removal changes to your PDF file. Your document will now be free of the metadata you removed, making it cleaner and more secure for sharing. And there you have it. You've successfully removed metadata from your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.